Grooming your dog at home just got even easier. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a great little at-home grooming kit. Now, if you've never used one of these with your dogs before, I highly advise you set it on the lowest setting and take it slow. Lots of praise, lots of treats, and eventually your dogs are going to get used to it. Once they do, you will be so glad that you have this. This kit comes with so many options. You are going to get 5 different attachments, including a slicker brush, a deshedding brush, a trimmer, a nozzle head, and a vacuum brush for cleanup. The trimmer also comes with 4 different guard lengths, and you get nail clippers and a nail file as well. As you can see, we have double-coated dogs and they shed a lot. We tested this during a time when our dogs were blowing out massive amounts of fur, and this little machine sucked those floofs right up. Using this once a day really cuts down on the amount of hair in the rest of our house. The canister holds quite a bit of fur before you have to empty it, and it's also very easy to disconnect and empty when you're done. I also want to note it does have a really nice filter as well, so it's going to catch all that pet dander as you're vacuuming your pets. If you are looking for a way to cut back on the shedding in your house, this could be a great solution for you. We recommend this.